Hello, it's Jacob again. Welcome to the next module of this PLC programming course in SCL, text-based programming language for PLCs. Today we're going to program a sorting line with vision sensor. If you finished our ladder logic course, you definitely programmed this type of scenario in factory I/O. Look, this is the operation of our line that we have implemented in ladder logic in the basic course. As you can see, only one product is being sorted on the exit conveyor. If this product is being transferred on the exit conveyor, the sorting conveyor, the rest of products have to wait. The entry conveyor is stopped and it is waiting for the product that is currently being sorted to be moved to the chute. Okay? And our task, our goal will be to change the operation of this line using SCL programming language so that it will be sorted continuously without stopping the entry and sorting the exit conveyor. Look, right now, a few of the products can be simultaneously on the exit conveyor. They are in the same time on the sorting conveyor, and for example, 1, 2, or even 3 sorters can be started at the same time, moving the products to the proper chute. Okay, so this is our main goal, to program the continuous sorting. The next goal, the next aim of this module will be to implement special function block for each sorter. Look, here you can see 3 sorters, 3 sorting units. Each sorting unit consists of the same components, like a sorting module with a rotating arm and a sorter belt, and a sensor with a chute, okay? Or a chute with a sensor. So we will enclose this functionality into a function block and implement structural programming into our project. To implement a function block, we'll use a programming style guide for Zimatic S7 1200 and 1500 PDF. In this guide, you can find PLCopen Standard that describes the enable type block, and the next type is the execute type block that we will implement for our line. PLCopen is international standard and Siemens supports this standard in its libraries and in its projects. Okay, so if you download, for example, libraries from Siemens website, they will definitely have implemented PLCopen standard to their blocks. To implement product tracking, we'll use arrays and implement product register, shifting register, that will store the information about current position of specific products. Okay, so that's all for this short video. I have introduced you into our project that we will focus on during this module. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.